guys, if you're into digital reading, the Apple Books app is your perfect companion. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get the most out of this fantastic app. So without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, open the Books app. At first, you will be on the home page. Here you will find top picked books, bestsellers, and other books you may like. At the end of the page, you will also find reading goals, which you can adjust by tapping on it and then tapping on Adjust Goal and picking a time. This can make reading enjoyable and help you finish more books. Next, we have to Library. All the books you purchase and add will be here. Then we have the Bookstore. I don't have to tell you what that is. After that, there is the audiobook stores. And lastly, the search feature that you can use to look for books. Now, let's open a book and see some other features. Once you have a book opened up, tap Anywhere. Then, tap on this icon from the lower right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Theme and Settings. From here, you will be able to change the theme. Increase or decrease font size and brightness as well. If you tap on Customize, you will be able to change the font and spacing between the lines, characters, words, etc. You can also look up word definitions. So, if you find a word that you don't know, tap and hold the word for a second, then tap on Look Up from the pop-up menu, and it will show you the definition of the word. You can highlight sentences as well. For that, just tap and hold a word. Then move these two cursors to the beginning and end of the sentence or paragraph you want to highlight and tap on Highlight. You can change the highlight color and even underline it too. And if you want to translate a sentence into your language for better understanding, just tap and hold a word of the sentence you want to translate. Then move the cursor to the end and beginning of the sentence and tap on Translate from here. And Book will translate the sentence. You can tap here to change the translation language. Now let's see how you can remove a book from your library. Just go back to Library, then tap on the three dot under the book that you want to remove. Next, tap Remove from the pop-up menu. After that, hit Remove Download and it will be removed from your device. Now tap on the three dot again and tap on Remove again. After that, just tap on Hide Book and it will be gone from your library. And that's it. Thanks for watching this quick guide to the Apple Books app. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.